Let's start with Paystack. This platform has built a strong reputation across Africa, especially in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. It offers a smooth, developer-friendly setup with well-documented APIs and modern features like webhooks, split payments, and recurring billing. Everything feels clean and straightforward, which developers love. You can get a payment page running quickly without complex configurations. Paystack is also privacy-conscious and transparent with fees. It charges a small percentage per transaction, and those fees are clearly listed depending on whether you are processing local or international cards. One of Paystack's biggest advantages is its reliability for cross-border payments within its supported countries. Businesses in those regions can accept international cards and even receive payouts in US dollars if they have the right type of account. For startups in emerging markets serving international customers, that is a major win. But here is where limitations appear for a North America-focused business. Paystack currently supports merchants only in select African countries. So if your company is registered in the United States or Canada, you cannot directly open a Paystack account. Even though it supports global card payments, it is not yet fully operational for businesses based in North America. Multi-currency handling is also more restricted. A single Paystack account usually operates in one primary currency, and if you want to handle several, you may need separate setups per country or currency. Now let's look at Braintree. This is PayPal's developer-first payment platform, and it is extremely well established across North America. Braintree's biggest strength is how it manages multiple currencies and payment types. It supports over 100 currencies worldwide, letting you charge customers in their local currency while receiving settlements in your preferred one. This is ideal for e-commerce platforms serving a global audience. From a developer standpoint, Braintree is built for flexibility. Its APIs are extensive, well-documented, and cover advanced scenarios like tokenization, subscription management, and fraud prevention. It integrates easily with popular frameworks, and there are official SDKs for web and mobile platforms. You can also combine it with PayPal and Venmo for a more complete checkout experience. Of course, that flexibility comes with more setup work. Managing multiple merchant accounts for different currencies can be a little technical, and there are extra fees for cross-border or currency conversions. But for a business in North America that needs to handle multiple currencies and payment methods seamlessly, Braintree offers the kind of infrastructure and developer control that Paystack currently does not match in this region. So, which should you choose? If your business is registered in Africa and you want a gateway that is simple, transparent, and designed for your region's banking systems, Paystack is an excellent pick. But if your business is based in North America and you want to accept payments in multiple currencies with full control over integrations and advanced features, Braintree is the smarter choice.